Today, we will share how to make a ringtone on your iPhone using the Ringtone Maker app. First, open the Ringtone Maker app on your iPhone. You can either choose to use the built-in collection of music to create a ringtone, or you can move on to make a custom ringtone for your iPhone. Select Ringtone Maker. Access your library and choose the song you want to set as a ringtone. Next, trim the audio and keep the portion you want as your custom ringtone. Then tap to save the file on the Tones section. For the second part, go to your computer, or Mac. Open iTunes and connect your iPhone with the computer. Next, click on the phone icon at the iTunes top bar. You can see your iPhone storage and files. Go to the File Sharing menu, and select Ringtone Maker. From there, you'll find the latest ringtone you created. Drag it to your desktop. Then go to the Tones menu on iTunes. Simply drag back and drop your ringtone there. iTunes will automatically sync the new ringtone for your iPhone. Once finished, click on Done. Finally, to set the custom ringtone on your iPhone, open your phone settings. Navigate to the Sounds and Haptics menu. From the Ringtones section, select the custom ringtone, and you're good to go. Download the Ringtone Maker app from the given link in the description below.